Hi everyone, welcome back to a personal portfolio web application built with Laravel. The starting point of our video is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen that, I will link that in the description down below. On the end of this video, we'll be able to create a project. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is to make this button workable. So we'll go in our projects folder in index.blade.php file. Over here, a href root admin.projects.create, close this tag. We haven't created this root, so let's create it by going on roots in web.php file. Over here, duplicate this line. The root will be /admin/projects/create. The function will be create, and the name of the root will be admin.projects.create. Alright, we haven't created this create function, so let's create it by going on our project controller. Over here, create our function create, which will return the create view located in our project folder. So let's go in our project folder, create a file called create.blade.php, extend layout.admin.base, add a session content and title hello. Alright, now when we click on this create new project, we are redirected to our /admin/projects/create path, and as you can see, we see this hello message. Alright, now let's add the design template of this create page. The design templates are located in our public folder on templates on backend. Over here, copy this session and paste it in our create.blade.php file. Alright, now as you can see, our design was changed. Alright, I'm going to make some change on this create.blade.php file because we need to use this form when we create a project or when we edit a project. So let's create a new file called form.blade.php and go in our create.blade.php, move this into our form.blade.php, and then go back in our create.blade.php, include our admin.projects.form. Alright, as you can see, it is still working. Now I go to work around to fill out this form and save it in database. So let's go in our form.blade.php file. Over here on this input, add a name, title, and here name description. Over here, name link, and on this input, add name image. This input will accept the image file. Alright, here we need, when we select image, to show it in this image tag. So let's add over here an ID file preview image, and over here add an action on change with function show image file. and passing the event variable. So let's go over here, add script, and create our function called show image file and passing event variable. So I have already created a function like this. So let's go in my about folder in form.blade.php, copy this and paste it into our function over here, and then change this get element by id to our file preview image. All right, now when we select image, as you can see, it show it over here before save it in database. So now when we fill out all this form, we need to save it in database. So let's work around on it. Let's go in our create.play.php file, add over here a form with method posts and action root admin.projects.store, add an ink type, multipath with form data, add SSLF token, and then close this form. We haven't created these roots, so let's create it by going on roots in web.php file over here. Duplicate these roots. It will be posts, and the function will be store, and the name of root will be admin.projects.store. We haven't created this store function, so let's create it in our project controller. Over here, create a function called store, which will get requests. Alright, create a new variable called project, which get a new project. The project title will get request title. The project description will get the request description. The project link will get the request link, and over here on project image, I'm going to use some logic I was used in my about controller. So let's go over here, copy these two lines and paste it on my store function. Here we will get the file name and move our image into our image folder, and then save our file name in our database, and then save our project. After that, redirect to our roots admin.projects.index. So now when we fill out this form and save it, as you can see, it is save it in database, which is better. Now it will be better if you get a notification. So let's add the notification over here with flash message project added, and go in our index.blade.php. Over here includes our flash message from include folder. Now when we fill out this form and save it in database. As you can see, it is save it in database and show our message notification. All right. Now let's end this video by adding the validations, because when we fill out this form without fill out this form, we need to get an error notification. So we'll go in our project controller on this store function, add a request validate. The title, it will be required, and description it will be required. All right. Now let's go back in our form.blade.php over here. Add an errors with first title, and then over here add our message. And over here add a class alert. So let's copy this and paste it over here. Here it will be description. Now when we try to save this form without to fill out this form, as you can see, it show me the error message. All right. So let's stay here for the moment. We finished to see how to create a new project. In upcoming video, we're going to see how to edit and delete a project. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to keep going. Thank you for watching.